Hey legends, a brand new day, a brand new adventure in Dubai. We've just arrived in Deira, the old heart of Dubai. This area is packed with history and stories from the past. Super excited to explore the ancient side of the city, but first things first, let's hunt down a parking spot. Okay, crisis averted. We found a proper car park. Public parking here was way too confusing, and the whole app registration thing, nope, not today. Check out all these boats, legends. We've made it to the Dubai Old Souk Marine Transport Station. Time to hop on a traditional Abra and cross the creek for a little adventure to the famous Gold and Spice Souk. Quick tip, legends. Make sure you hop on the right Abra. And the best part? It's only 2 dirhams per person. Super affordable, whether you're a local or just exploring Dubai like us. So here we are at Dubai Creek. This place is actually the original heart of Dubai. Back in the day, this was where trading started, from pearls to spices and gold. Before oil, the city's economy literally depended on this creek. And check this out. These little wooden boats called Abras have been ferrying people across the water for over 100 years. Still going strong, and it only costs 2 dirhams. Dubai itself has grown crazy fast, from a small fishing village to one of the world's most modern cities in just a few decades. Today, more than 200 nationalities live here, with about 90% being expats. No wonder it feels so international. But what I love most is how places like this creek still keep the old charm alive, right in the middle of all the modern skyscrapers. Oh wow! Check this out, legends! You've probably seen this ring all over YouTube or in travel photos, but seeing it in person is just insane. This is the world's biggest diamond ring, and it's right here in Dubai's Gold Souk. Honestly, there's more window shopping happening here than at Dubai Mall. I'm gonna need my sunglasses just to handle all this bling bling. I'm no gold expert, legends, but if you're curious about the prices here in the souk, drop your questions in the comments and I'll do my best to find out for you. The designs here are insane. I can't even imagine rocking this in Melbourne, but in Dubai, just casual bling. Welcome to the billionaire's playground. Alright, legends, enough gold for now. Let's dive into a souk that's more our vibe. The Utensils and Spice Souks. Can't wait to sniff all the amazing aromas and maybe pick up some foodie treasures. Check out Dubai's Spice Souk. Over a century old, packed with spices and herbs from all over the world. Back then, spices were so valuable they were basically currency. Colors, smells, textures, total sensory overload. Pro tip, wander the Spice Souk long enough and you'll be smelling like cinnamon or maybe cumin yourself. To really blend in with the locals, Gareth decided to pick up some traditional perfumes so we can literally smell like one of them. Honestly, it actually smells amazing, and it's around 20 Aussie dollars for 25 millers. Drop a comment below, did we get a steal or did we totally get slaughtered? Check out this ancient escalator. Seriously, it feels like it's transporting you back to old school Dubai. Well, we couldn't resist. Ended up spending a bit here, just like any classic tourists. Alright, Gareth is trying on the traditional Ghutra. What do you think, legends? Could he be the next Dubai billionaire? Meanwhile, I'll just be here chilling and hopefully can goyang kaki. Cruising back to Deira on an Abra, the smoothest way to dodge all that peak hour traffic. We're trying out the famous Saudi fast food Baik, and wow, the queue was insane. Taste-wise, not bad at all, and pretty affordable by Dubai standards. The chicken and nuggets are super juicy, definitely worth a try. And of course, no meal is complete without dessert. The kids dragged us to Cold Stone. Honestly, not a bad call. Time for some sweet indulgence. Heading back to Al Manara, flying down the road at 120 kilometers with Dubai's iconic skyscrapers towering all around, this city never ceases to amaze.
Legends, here's the Museum of the Future. We'll be visiting in the next few days, so stay tuned to see if it's truly worth the hype or just another museum you can skip.
What a day exploring Dubai's old town. So much fun and so many experiences. Thanks for watching, legends. Smash that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and drop your questions in the comments for more Dubai tips. Can't wait to take you on our next adventure. See you in the next video.